Hello everyone, welcome back. Before we continue, please subscribe my channel if you haven't yet done so. Also please make sure that you have already watched the part 1 of this video. Let's begin. The next tool is the filter. The filter category has several filters to choose from. The next editing option is effects. Many effects are available in the latest version of Inshot. The Adjust menu has the different types of photo editing you're probably familiar with, like contrast, warmth, saturation, grain, etc. There's also an option called curves. I will do a detailed video of them later. The next one is the text and stickers. The text tool is usually used to add lyrics and watermark to the video. The added text contains its own settings. The sticker tool allows us to add custom images and other wide variety of stickers to our video. The split can be used to split the video and apply different settings to both clips, or to delete just a part of a video. Now let's see how background works. For that, let me just create a background. Okay, background menu allows us to change the background. Background options include different blur levels, colors, gradients and patterns. In the crop menu, you can either crop your image or video manually or choose from common orientations. In the rotate menu, you can rotate or flip the image or video. There are also options to change the angle or zoom. With videos, you can freeze or reverse a section. The save option is to export the edited video in the desired quality. You can watch the video I edited in my Instagram page. That's all for now. Please comment below if I have left out any tools. I will do a video for each tool separately. Thank you and please subscribe my channel if you like my videos.